So, it's been a week and a half since I performed the Eco Revival on this Eternal Terrarium, and well, there's already been a lot of growth. I got these weeds from a very wet spot, but I'm not sure what species it is. Anyway, it's almost doubled in size, and as you can see, whole new plants have grown. These weren't here before, so that's promising. The spider plants seem to be doing well as well. It looks like at least the left one has grown a bit, but I can't tell for sure. At least they look healthy, and they're, not dead. So that's good. These plants don't really look like they have been growing all that much, but they are starting to develop quite an impressive root structure. These not so much. These are growing quite a few roots as well. In the previous video I talked about making sure there's the perfect amount of water. So, how can you tell? Well, as you can hopefully see, the tips of the leaves of the plants all have a little droplet of water on the tip. That's the plant's sweat. When the air is very humid, but the leaves are already saturated with water, they get rid of the excess water this way. You also want to make sure that there's a bit of condensation on the glass, but only in the morning and evening hours. So, that's what's going on with the Eco Revival. I will continue monitoring the amount of water. I also still want to add some springtails, but everything is frozen, so that's delayed for now. Thanks for watching.